screen?
Not yet.
Okay. Okay, sharing.
Chaque mois, on va avoir l'image, la carte en fait.
Okay.
Du NDVI.
Okay, and now you can see?
Yes, I can see that.
Okay. So I'm showing this code for my region of studio, my studio area. So let me display it. Right. Add layer. Layer.
Add layer, map.add layer.
Okay, it's on this region.
Yes.
So I'll make a NDVI map from January to
December.
Yes, January to December 2021. And
Okay.
what I want to see is to interpolate null.
Okay, so it show about that discontinuous chart, but you want to make the continuous chart for that continuous chart for all of line. Yeah, so it's called the breaking line. In Google Earth Engine
Breaking
platform, we can get this type of breaking line, but if you want, you can also use the interpolate. Then it also remove. We can get this type of chart, no problem. Okay.
Okay, and I also want to have for each month the map of the NDVI also. So I need to make a sequence like you see in the rainfall map.
Each month NDVI map.
Yes.
Okay, so it's very easy. You can simply go to the code.
Okay.
Okay, so in this time you want to make the time series chart of NDVI for a specific time period. Okay.
Yes.
And now it show the it's a monthly or what's the time period about that? Suppose it show the
it's monthly.
Okay, monthly. For doing that, okay, let me check. Okay, so you try to add this NDVI map and also make this time series chart about that. And now you want to make this, okay. Okay, so you can simply print. Suppose you have to print the collection. Simply go to the app.
Okay.
So in this time, wait. So here you can see after adding the map function, we can get the L8SR. We go to the below. After adding the map, go to the below of the code. Yeah. In here. Wait. So you can simply print the L8 after. You can write in the 36 line. Okay, 36 line. You write the code in 36 line. 36. Yeah. So print L8SR NDVI. This variable simply print.
Okay.
Okay, so this variable you can print and check what result you can got. I think it show about the image collection. So now click on here.
Yes.
Yeah. And click on the feature. So here you can see we can get the 16. Okay. 16 images. And this image you can check about that properties. And also check about the bands. You can check the bands. This image have only one band. It's called the NDVI band. You can simply check on the bands. Yeah, we can get only for the one band. It's called the L8 NDVI. Okay. So in this time, you can check about the time. What is the time about the image? So you can easily get it from the. You can simply image L80C02 LC802. So you can simply increase the figure, console figure. Increase the console figure, mainly just right panel increase. Did you get
Which
it?
code?
Not code. It's a console. You can see the console is not fully shown. Okay, some part is not showing in the right side. Right side. But here.
Right.
So you can get the image. You can see the image. Yeah. Image Landsat C08 L2 LC08. Okay, you can see some part is not showing. So for that, you can simply increase the console panel. Okay, increase the console panel.
Okay.
Not here. It's the right side. Yeah, you can see the right side. Right side.
Right side.
What?
Console.
Okay. Right there. Foot.
No, you don't understand about that. So it's a, you can increase the console panel size. Panel size mainly means it's called, you can simply take your cursor on the, you can say dotted symbol in the vertical level. Dotted sign. My God,
Okay.
you did not find out.
In this console.
So how I can understand about that? You can see the panel. Okay, so I hope you can see how many part in this code editor. There are mainly total 4 part.
1,
Okay.
3,
and 4.
4.
Yeah, so you can
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. 3 number part you increase. Okay, so this part you increase.
This part. Okay.
Yeah. I can got the
Like
idea.
that.
Yeah. Yes. So now go to the app and check the
Okay.
MS acquisition date. Yeah, you can check the date. 2021 first image 2021 01 16. Mainly it is 16 January 2021. At the right side.
Okay.
You can see about the ID. You can see the image ID. Yeah.
Yes. This
You
is
can check
ID,
the
yes.
yeah. You can check the time 2020. Yeah, it's a time.
Okay.
So now you want to show
Okay.
this time NDVI map. Suppose this time
Yes.
you want to show this
Okay.
NDVI map. So simply copy this full ID. Copy the full ID. Simply copy. Okay, copy. And now write back in your code. You take a variable. You can put any variable name.
Okay.
Put any variable name. You can put any name. Yeah. And then put ee.image. ee.image. .image. Yeah. Put the parenthesis, first parenthesis, second parenthesis, and also put the quotation, first quotations and start part. Yeah. Put the quotation. Yeah. Start ending part. Okay. Put. And also put the clip function. Clip. You put the clip with
Okay.
your study area. Now further show the layer. So now it show the NDVI map for this time. Okay, now map.add layer. Add map.add layer. Add a layer. Add layer. And put the TRE. So now click to run and check the layer about what we can get. So this time we can get the specific date NDVI map for this study area. Just only open this layer. Okay. So now I can get it. So now further you can easily open, increase this side. What we can got increase. Not it not show the NDVI thing. What we showing the open it. Okay, click on the one band. And select the L8. Is there NDVI band yet or not?
I have to add the function that calculated and add the band to the image.
Because you already create the NDVI band, create NDVI. Okay, you try to, okay, so you can simply use the select function. Suppose you can before the cliff function, simply put the select function, select,
yes.
yeah, select,
Okay.
and then select the band L8 NDVI.
Yes.
Select L8 NDVI.
Okay.
It's not L8 NDVI. L8 NDVI. Rename L8 NDVI. Yeah,
Yes.
it's a band name. Put the select and put it. Okay, now click to the run. Okay, it's showing that you have to put the quotation, single quotation, instead and invert. Yeah. What's the problem?
It seems like the image is the NDVI band is not in this collection.
Okay, so you try to print the L8SR. L8SR.
Okay.
Yeah. Print
Can I?
L8SR. Yeah. And okay. Yeah. So that's right here. Yeah. Okay. Remove the L8SR NDVI. Just paste here. Okay. Just paste here. Yeah.
Okay.
And now check about the collection. Okay. So click the run. So now check about the image collection. What we can got. Yes. Click and click on the feature. And then check the image ID. Click on here. And check the band. First of all, check the band. It is band is available or not for the NDVI. Okay, it's
Yes,
available. So now simply copy this ID, image ID. Copy the image ID. Yeah, this is the ID. This ID copy, and then further paste instead of this line. This ID. Yeah, paste here. Try check. So now click the run. What happened here? Okay, so what is the problem showing? Okay, it's not work. Okay, so why? Okay, go to the function code about that NDVI. Yeah.
Okay,
So you want to add a function, and this function help you to remove the cloud and cloud haze from the satellite imagery. And further go to the below. Okay, and then further you try to add bands. Okay, you create the band. Okay. So this band you want to add the image collection. Image collection L8SR. So try to check the L8SR. Okay, open the L8SR, this variable in the upper code.
Okay.
L8SR. Yeah. So this variable open in the upper code. L8SR. Yeah. Filter bounds. L8SR. Okay, so filter bounds RY.
Can I print it right there?
Okay, it's okay, but I want to check about the collection. Filter bounds with RY. Okay, you can send me the code link. I try to write the code also better. And before that, simply share your asset. So go to your boundary shape file from the asset tab.
Okay.
Click on here, and I click in anyone can read, and then send me the link in the tab box.
Okay.
And I check what happened.
Now get link.
Send me in my in my Google Meet chat box.
Okay. Okay.
Let me check. Now I can stop the sharing. I try to.
Okay.
Okay, so now we can get this solution about that. So first of all, you try to copy this ID, and after that you are just try to add this function normalize difference function and simply set this band, mainly SRB5 near infrared band. So now we can create this NDVI map for this study area, look like that. Okay, so in this time this band is not work, so for that we are just applying this formula with this image. Basically this image is already available for the SRB5 and SRB4. When you want to apply the normalized difference function with this image, it automatically calculated the NDVI for this study area. You can try to add the color from here. Suppose just put here this tracing at 98%, and I want to show the color. Suppose so for the low value we try to add this type of color for that. Add some.
Je fais un filtre après
Try to check. So now I can get this type of vegetation map here. You can see. So basically this type of things identify about that vegetation green color. Okay, so this is the process about that for getting this vegetation map. And also you can see this time it also show this type of continuous chart. Okay, it gives the continuous chart because first time you did not define any kind of cloud cover level. In this time I will try to add the cloud cover level. So now it take all of this means less than 5%, 50%. And then further it create this type of chart. Okay, so it's the one.
Is the cloud cover level parameter that break the continuous chart?
And not for that all of time, but sometimes it also work for that. And mainly when you want to make this time series chart, we are just using the interpolate. So mainly we are just apply the interpolate, and we can easily get the continuous chart. For doing these things, we are just add a option in here in the set option. So here you can see the set option you add in here. So in this time you are just add a argument. It's called that it's not here, not here. So bx is x6. After that sees chart area you want to show. Yeah, so I try to add the last part in here. Okay, so yes, in interpolate null. So it also help you to make this continuous chart.
Yes, I display it, but it's not working. You can also remove the comment and try it. It's not.
Okay, interpolate. Interpolate. You make the wrong spelling in here. You have to use the correct spelling. It is the you can put the interpolate 10 nulls. It will be interpolate nulls. Interpolate nulls, put the true. So now we can get that continuous chart about that. So it means the interpolate, and we can get the continuous chart, the gap filling data. Okay, so interpolate nulls. Use the correct spelling, then it will work, no problem.
Okay. And for the image collection, so what if I want to have for each image to export the collection of them? What I mean, for each month I want to export the images. So what you show me is to use the image ID.
Yes.
So is there a method that to make an automation for every month?
Yeah, for every month. Suppose you can simply change the ID.
Because it can take too long. Yes.
Yeah, simply change the ID. Suppose click on here, you can simply copy this ID and work with that. Then we can get that this month, year of 2021, March 21 March. This map also visualized in here. Okay, just change the ID. then it will work. Suppose you can see this
Okay,
idea about that.
Okay, it's not the method to make an iteration to use every month ID.
Every month. Okay, so basically it's different on the satellite image acquisition. Suppose in the April there is no image for this study area, then what you can do? And in this time we are applying the 50% cloud cover. Then we can find out this 7 image is available for my study area. Okay, and this 7 images can be different month. Okay, you can see the first image for that. It shows the February. Okay, there is no January. There is no image about the January, which is the less than 15% cloud cover within this time period. Okay, so basically it's different on your satellite acquisition time period according to your condition, which condition you want to apply in here. Okay, so that's why in this time we can get this type of satellite imagery, look like that. Suppose I get the total 7 images, and 7 images is the capture for the different time.
Okay.
And this 7 images is less than 15% cloud cover. Yeah.
Okay, so for this image collection you displaying now in the features, we have 7 elements. So
Yes.
if I want to make a math add layer for each month, for each for each month NDVI. So we have from 0 to 6.
Yes.
If
0
I
to
want
6.
to display it, I have to make it one by one.
Yes. You have to use this ID and then use it. Yeah.
Okay, so there is not a method to do it automatically.
Automatically it's possible, but in this time it not work for this code. So for that, if you want, you can simply use the manually. Okay, just copy this ID and work with that. It is easy way.
Okay, so yeah.
Okay, try. I'll send you the code. You try. I hope you can do it. No problem.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So I can try the automation step, and I can show you what it gave me.
Okay. Thank you for
So you can send me the precipitation script.
Okay, send now.
So I can. Okay.
Thank you. Have a good. Okay, bye.